If you want to get into an affordable nursing program, you cannot mess around when you are taking your prereqs. Let's say your goal is to get into an ADN program at a community college, which can cost as little as $8,000 for a nursing degree. But you need to know that these programs are usually very competitive because there's such a good value. So if you end up getting B's or C's in your prerequisite classes, then chances are you're not going to get in. And in some locations, affordable BSN programs may be pretty competitive as well. So if you end up with prereq grades that are mediocre or bad, your only option may be to go to a super expensive private nursing program where you can pay over $100,000 for a nursing degree. So unless you have a bunch of cash laying around, you want to take your prereqs seriously and put in the effort so you can get good grades. The good news is that we are actively working on resources to help you do just that.